Hello, how can I share a project inside ePlan? Well, the best way is to actually use the cloud solution that comes with ePlan. So here, as you can see, I have my cloud window already open. I can actually open it here also. So the cloud has several really nice features. One of them, when you have an ePlan license, is the eManage. So eManage is nothing else than, actually use that word, it's a cloud location with a specific structure. And within that structure, you can create subfolders, to organize yourself. And at any point in time, you can just upload the project. And of course, if I take an existing project that was uploaded, there are several different details. Like if I open here the details, you will see I can share it with someone. Really a nice idea because I can share it with people that are part of my organization or with external people. Really, really cool because you can just put in an email here, add it, and send it to that particular person. Now, this is way safer than going in here, exporting your project into, let's say, a DXF, DWG, which is fine. You can send the files, but you lose control over what he does with it. Same thing for a PDF. One nice PDF file, but you lose control. So if you want to control who can see or edit your projects, remember it's ePlan Cloud, eManage, and then right in here, if you want to invite someone from outside, you can just add his email here, email at, let's say, gmail.com, and this guy, you just add it in here. You can even actually have an expiry date if you want to. And you can have, you can specify if this person can download or view the project. Now, on the viewing side, it's quite interesting because he can then just open this eplan.com, which is the ePlan Cloud. So he goes www.eplan.com, making sure that he has signed in at least once in his life. Otherwise, he can just create, his user here with his email. And then he gets access here to this dashboard. His dashboard may have more or less small ePlan products active. So of course, if he does not have an ePlan license, he may not see all of these products, being active or accessible, but he will, depending on what he has. If he's not an ePlan customer, he will still have access to here eVIEW, which is free, by the way. And as long as he signs in, he is then identified and he can open the project that you shared with him. He can even here do some redlinings, which will be overlaid on your project on a counterpart on the other side. So it's a very, very nice way to collaborate with others in a very controlled way, because you can only look at projects that are entitled or that allowing you to open the project. So it's really, really a cool thing. ePlan, eVIEW, from ePlan, you can share the project with whom you want. If it's someone that has the ePlan license, of course, he's going to be able to use here the specific sharing download, and then he can actually open the file. So if I go back here into email at gmail.com, just as an example to show you here, if I pick the download, this is intended for ePlan users only because they can download the file and then open it. That could be rac@rital.ca for them to use your project to pre-drill. It could be WP for printing your wires. And if you only want them to view the file, you can view the file here. And plus, you can put an extra date here if you ever forget. It expires at a certain date, and that email will just not get the details or get access to that project anymore. Super cool, super cool. Easy, simple, ePlan, cloud, eplan.com.